How do you ignite the best of yourself this year? This is 2024. Dear viewer, you're welcome to this channel where we talk about our health and our lifestyle. In this video, I want to tell you how to gain mastery of your health and lifestyle. So you are welcome to a brand new year. It's another opportunity for you and I to script afresh the story of our lives. Doesn't matter what you went through in the past year, this year is going to be different. And it begins with having the right information to equip yourself and putting into practice this information. Let's dive in. So, today we are diving into a transformative journey, a quest for quality health and a vibrant lifestyle. So, here are things that you need to do to ignite your best self this year. Set empowering goals, not just resolutions. So you must set SMART goals this year. SMART means that they are specific, that they are measurable, that they are achievable, that they are realistic, and that they are time bound. For example, don't just say, I want to lose weight. You have to be specific. After interacting with your doctor, your nutritionist, or your lifestyle coach, then you need to know how much weight you need to lose for you to have a normal body mass index, for you to have the LDU. For example, you don't just say this year, I want to lose weight. You need to be specific. You need to put some measure to it. You need to see that it is actually achievable and put in measures to achieve it. You may need some support and it has to be realistic. It must be time bound. So if you're talking about losing weight because you're overweight and you know the risk associated with overweight, so you want to ensure that you put a number to it. For example, I want to lose 6 kilograms of weight within 3 months. So that is specific, that's time bound, it is measurable, it is possible, it is realistic, and you have put time to it. The second thing that you must note, what you need to do to ignite the best of yourself, is to nourish your body. Nourishing your body means that you have to be intentional about what you eat and what you drink. You have to be intentional about having balanced diet every day as much as possible. You have to go for what you need. Okay, so ensure balanced diet, ensure adequate nutrition. It will be a choice for you, whatever you decide to eat this year. It will be a choice, whatever you decide to drink this year. But for a healthy you, for a more healthy lifestyle, embrace balanced diet, ensure adequate hydration. Remember, every bite is a choice and that shapes your well-being. Friends, you need to cultivate mental resilience. You need to cultivate mental resilience. Life challenges are actually inevitable. You can cultivate mental resilience through meditation. Meditate on the word of God, through mindfulness, through positive affirmations. Your mood is a powerful force and you have to harness it to create the positive changes that you want in your life. The next point is embrace physical activity. You need to embrace physical activity. Movement is medicine. Sedentary lifestyle is the new smoking. So, but when you engage in physical activity, you are putting in some effort to ensuring a healthy lifestyle. That does a lot to your heart, a lot to your muscles, to your bones, even to your brain. So embrace exercise. Let it be exciting. If you need to register at the gym, do so. And there are many home equipment that you can use to exercise these days. You may even enjoy dancing, gymming. This year you must fall in love and take care of yourself. Exercising is one way that you will be doing so. Next point, prioritize sleep. Sleep is not negotiable. You have to make sure that you get especially your night's rest and you will see how vibrant you will be. It will help in your performance in every task that you need to do. So prioritize sleep. Ensure that you get quality and not just quantity in terms of sleeping for hours, yet not getting enough rest. Rest means that if you need to put away your phone, your electronic devices, if you need to switch off the light so that you can enjoy quality sleep, then you should do so. You will find out that if you keep a good sleep routine, it will improve your performance greatly. It will ignite the best of you this year. The next and the last but not the least for building a healthy lifestyle this year is to build quality relationships. You must build relationships, nurture quality relationships around you. Relationships are like ladders, they take us higher. Relationships are like bridges, they take us beyond where we are to where we need to be. So this year, ensure that you nurture your relationships. Learn to communicate, learn to connect with people, especially, I mean, the right people. Okay, that will go a long way to ignite the best in you. People who will encourage you, people who will support you. Learn to relate with positive people, and that will help you a great deal. Healthy connections are a necessary foundation for a fruitful life, for a fulfilling life. Dear viewer, as you move on in this year, remember to be the architect of your own well being. You have to be a committed architect to building your own life. Embrace the journey, celebrate small victories, and remember every positive choice brings you closer to the life that you desire. So move beyond the desire to taking action steps today. So I wish you vibrant health, bundles of joy, and the discovery of the best of you this year. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to click on the like button, remember to subscribe, and then share with others. There is love in sharing, and love actually shares. Okay, help me to to subscribe, and share so that this message can go all over the world, because this year we are going global to reach many more people with this message for healthy living. So, as we share this, we will be creating a ripple effect of positive change, positive living worldwide. Stay motivated, stay healthy. Until next time, and keep following your dreams. God bless you.